Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we're going to go over how to replace the latch in your power center for your camper. The tools that you're going to need for this will be a screwdriver or impact and a straight edge. We used a knife, but a screwdriver or pick will do. Please keep in mind that yours might vary depending on the power center you have. This whole thing should take you about 5 minutes. Make sure to turn off your power just in case. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your doors down and to locate all screws that are holding your power center in place. We just have 2 and these are Phillips head screws. Once this is done, our whole front plate will come straight down and then you'll be able to access the clip from the back side. Once you have access to the back side, you'll need to then remove the latch. There are 2 small clips, one on each side. To do so, you'll need to press in using your flat head or your knife on the slope side of the latch. These might be hidden behind some plastic. While pushing on the slope side in, you'll then need to push the latch itself forward to make sure the latch is fully through. Once both sides are done, it should pop straight out. Now that the latch is out, to simply install the new one, you just have to slide back in and it should click into place. Then you just need to reinstall the panel to your power system and resecure it, and your latch should be functioning properly and smoothly. If you want to learn more about this product, make sure to click the link in the description below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.